found EK2 presentation files from EK Kiosk software for interactive displays. These contain self-running presentations for public information kiosks. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these EK Kiosk presentation files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful EK2 file inspection tool. An interactive presentation file created by EK, a software tool for designing public-facing kiosk displays. Users encounter this file when they need to edit, deploy, or view a kiosk project, which often includes multimedia elements, navigation buttons, and user interactive content for information booths or exhibits. The EK2 file is a proprietary container, likely a binary archive bundling various assets like images, text, videos, and layout instructions. This self-contained design simplifies deployment to a kiosk, ensuring all necessary components are present and preventing tampering with individual resource files. Official support for EK2 is primarily provided through EK from EK. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows displays basic properties, while deeper editing needs a presentation-specific program. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the EK2 file and select Open With. If EK is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If you are still having trouble opening the EK2 file, do not worry. Given the proprietary nature of this EK2 file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, opening an EK. Install EK presentation software from the original vendor if available. Launch EK and use File then Open to load the EK2 presentation file. The software provides editing capabilities for kiosk content navigation flow timing settings and presentation deployment to kiosk hardware for public display environments. Next, converting content. Extract individual content elements from EK2 files for use in modern presentation tools. Use EK's export functions if available, or screen capture techniques to preserve presentation content. Recreate presentations in modern alternatives like Microsoft PowerPoint with kiosk mode or specialized digital signage software for current deployment environments. Finally, modern kiosk solutions. Migrate EK2 presentations to modern kiosk software platforms like Intuiface Site Kiosk or Digital Signage Solutions. These platforms provide enhanced multimedia capabilities, cloud management, remote updates, and modern hardware support replacing legacy EK functionality with contemporary kiosk technology suitable for current business environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.